Mindfulness, connecting to the present moment. Begin by taking a deep breath, feeling the cool air enter your nostrils and fill your lungs. As you exhale, release any tension or stress you may be holding in your body. Now, bring your attention to your surroundings. Notice the colors, shapes, and textures of the world around you. Listen to the sounds, both near and far, and allow them to simply be, without judgment or interpretation. Next, shift your focus to your thoughts and emotions. Acknowledge whatever is present in your mind, without attaching to or becoming lost in any particular thought or feeling. Allow your thoughts to come and go, like leaves floating down a stream. As you continue to observe your inner experience, notice any judgments or criticisms that may arise. Without judgment of yourself, simply acknowledge these thoughts and bring your attention back to your breath. In this moment of stillness and presence, know that you are connected to the world around you. You are a part of the fabric of existence, and your presence here is important and valued. Take one final deep breath, and as you exhale, let go of any lingering tension or stress. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes and return to the world around you, feeling more grounded, centered, and at peace. Remember that you can return to this state of mindfulness and presence at any time, simply by taking a few deep breaths and bringing your attention to the present moment. Share your thoughts and spread the word by sharing and liking the video.